guys, so how to install your lace frontal and the things you need. Of course, you need a lace frontal wig and you need the wig cap. This is the wig cap you have to wear. And when you wear this, sorry guys, I've used this one before. This is the old one that I used to wear my wig, and you need the got to be that to fix in this wig cap. Then you need the glue. Then after you've fix the with the got to be, but I'm going to take you step by step. And you need your hair dryer as well. I used to dry the spray from the got to be before you install your wig glue. You can always get one anywhere you want, or you can reach out to me if you need any. And you need your hair dryer, of course, and you can start the installation. So keep up with me. I will take you step by step how you can install your lace wig. Let's go. So guys, after drying my wig net with the got to be, this is the end result. So I'm going to install the hair and go ahead and put the glue. And yeah, so guys, I'm going to get a hairband and use it to just band the lace frontal so it can stay very tight. And I'll go ahead and apply my makeup. So guys, this is the end result of my lace frontal installation. As you can see, it's looking all gorgeous and beautiful. Yes. For more video like this, kindly give me a follow or keep up. And if there's anything you would love UGV to show you how to install when it comes to hair or makeup, kindly write it in the comments.